What's up, graphic designers? In today's class, we're going to be creating a comic strip featuring you and a buddy from class. And to do that, we're going to need to take photos in your own house or apartment. Now, lighting is everything, so you're going to need to look for a window and think about the space around you. So I'm going to shift this over. It's in the middle of the day. It's a little bit cloudy out so that the lighting is nice and diffused. And what you're going to do right now is you're going to take your phone, whether it's an Android or an iPhone, and we're going to be applying the timer settings. So what you're going to do is you're going to look at the top. Actually, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to have it you're going to have it on like selfie mode, so it's the front screen. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click on this timer up here in the very top. I think you guys know that. And then you can set it right now. The default is off. We can set it to 3 and 10 seconds. I'm going to have it for 3 seconds. Great. And so once you do that, you're going to situate the phone somewhere so that it's about like waist high. And so for these comics, it's typically going to be from the waist up, and you're going to be thinking about the direction that you should be facing. And so right now, I'm going to be facing forward, looking to the left a little bit. So if you want to come over here, Sophia, I'm going to press go, and you're going to be striking lots of poses. So maybe there's a pose where you're simply, discussing something. I'm going to click again. We got 3 seconds. I'm thinking. Here's another pose where I'm angry. We've got another pose where we are, we're laughing. And so what we're going to do is we're going to be taking lots of photos. You're going to be sharing them on Google Classroom. And your buddy is going to have access to all these photos. He or she is going to use the magnetic lasso to extract yourself from the image. We're going to construct a narrative using these photos. Stay tuned for future video tutorials. Let me know if you have any questions. Good luck.